Energy is essential to our everyday life. It heats our buildings, lights our streets, and powers our companies. But as the world is growing, so does our need for cleaner and more efficient energy. And to achieve that, we need better and more innovative energy products. And that has been our mission for more than 125 years. We make cables and provide solutions to the world's power grid that have been engineered to last and perform in any environment and any situation, every time, every day. Across the many countries where we operate and thousands of projects in which we participate, this is who we are and how we deliver lasting value for our customers. The energy infrastructure is a vital part of the modern world, where every component is engineered and built for stability and reliability. But real life also means that sometimes, regardless of the precautions, things go wrong. This is where the right service partner with the right know-how becomes essential. At NKT Cable Service, we help our clients maintain their grids through preventive maintenance as well as emergency repairs in order to minimize the disruptions or breakdowns.
At the moment we work on the cable connection between Denmark and Germany. It has a length of 170 kilometers. This connection is very important for the power supply of both countries.
We are committed to providing our customers with quick and reliable service with every possible situation that might occur.
For us, NKT is a very reliable partner and very good experts in the office and very good jointers and experts on site.
We have an available stock 24/7 for any specific needs that will last for the next 30 years if needed. That is how passionate we are about being a partner you can trust. No matter the project, no matter the country, one thing stays the same: our dedication to providing true value to our customers with the services and products we provide. It is our customers' needs and our ability to provide them with safe and reliable products that keeps us innovative and keeps driving us forward. We take pride in being an essential part of the world's power grid and are passionate about designing sustainable energy solutions for tomorrow. We go wherever we are needed. High sea, the mountains, or the big city, we are there, making sure that every cable, every connection, every termination works perfectly. We are NKT, and our passion brings power to life.